You see me? Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me?
Thanks. Thanks.
Hey, thanks.
Thanks.
Look here now.
Bạn ơi đi ra cho chị đi vệ sinh.
What is that?
What you got there? What is that?
What is that? What is that? What is it you got there? What is I just walked in the house and I really didn't come to the door. I can't. How in the fuck? Oh my god. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're handsome. Do you want to go out? Yeah? Oh? Yeah, how do you want to go? Show me. Show me. Oh, is that how? Mishi, come back. Now.
Stop! 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 Cover your fucking mouth. Stop. Stop. Okay. Stop.
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Both hands on top of the dough and use your body weight to push the dough into itself. Use a scraper to pull the dough off the board if it sticks. Then sprinkle a little more flour onto the dough and the
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.